Want to create data apps quickly? Let's explore Streamlit. What is Streamlit? Streamlit is an open-source Python library that makes it easy to build custom data and machine learning web apps in minutes, all with just a few lines of code. Why Streamlit? It's incredibly simple and built for data scientists, analysts, and anyone who wants to turn data or models into interactive apps without needing front-end skills. You focus on Python code, and Streamlit handles the interface. Getting started is easy. First, install Streamlit with pip install Streamlit. Then, write your app in Python, like this. Run Streamlit run app.py, and your app is live in a browser. That's Streamlit. Perfect for interactive dashboards, visualizations, and quick ML apps. Start building today and bring your data to life.